打嗝其实很常见，一般深呼吸调整一下就好了。但要是不停的打嗝，那真是很烦人。神门穴可以缓解和停止打嗝。先找到神门穴，在拇指第一掌骨沿线和手腕横纹的交界处，用中指的指肚轻轻地搭在这个穴位上，放松自己，放松呼吸，感觉中指的指肚和这一点的连接处一点一点的热和很舒服的感觉。放松的呼吸7次，吸，呼，放松，现在看看还打嗝吗？如果还是止不住，就温柔的按揉这个穴位，按揉20次，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10，不要急，慢慢的按揉，不需要很疼，然后深呼吸，9、20，好，慢慢的换到另外一只手，也是先搭上，再温和的去按揉20次。深呼吸，1、2、3、4、5、6，就这样慢慢的、耐心的揉，同时放松呼吸。6、7、8、9、20。好，现在打嗝应该是已经缓解了。Hiccups is normal. Usually, after several deep breaths, the hiccups would be stopped. But if you couldn't stop the hiccups easily, we have Shenmen point to help you. Along the thumb and first metacarpal bone, cross the horizontal line on the wrist, the cross point. Put your middle finger on the point gently. Feel the warmth between the wrist and the fingertip. Relax your breath. Count your breath for 7. 1. Relax your breath. Well, is the hiccup stopped? If not, rub the point gently and with caring for 20 times. 1, 2, 3. Take deep breaths at the same time. 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3. Gently rub the point. Don't rush it. 7, 8, 9, 20. Then the other hand. Along the thumb and the horizontal line on the wrist, cross point. Gently rub it 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deep breath at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Now, the hiccups should be stopped. Okay, one day, one tip. Keep healthy body awake. 天天小妙招，天天好身体。